Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on Bitcoin, of course. All right, so we're going to do a full update right here on Bitcoin, but also altcoins. I think Bitcoin in general, I mean, the situation is still very similar to this morning, I would say. It's we're still super bullish. You can see we're still respecting this uptrend band. But the volatility also has been relatively low, right? I mean, if you look at Bitcoin right here, I mean, obviously volume is slowly grinding up here. But if you zoom out a bit, we're very much waiting for either a bullish continuation, probably up to 69 and into the 70,000s, or we're waiting for a bigger pullback. And honestly, at this point of time, I am waiting for a bigger pullback. That might be a mistake. I'm still looking for trade setups on altcoins. I think the markets are bullish, so it's foolish to not focus on long setups, of course. But in terms of Bitcoin, I would prefer some sort of a pullback. But there's a lot of news. There's a lot of fundamentals right now. So for example, the Bitcoin conference later this week. I think it's the 25th until the 27th. We have the Ethereum ETF tomorrow, which is going to cause shockwaves in the market. But that's going to make the market move, of course. And then we also have macroeconomics. So, for example, if you look at the S&P 500, that's about to open higher. That's bullish. We have the Russell 2000. That has been very, very bullish. Liquidity is somewhat dropping down, but that shouldn't matter too much. Dollar strength index is trying to be a little bit more bullish. So there's a lot going on, all right? But no, if we look at Bitcoin, like I said, personally, I'm waiting for some sort of real breakout for Bitcoin. And in the meanwhile, so that's either above 68,200. That would be a bullish breakout. And then I expect us to continue to go parabolic, basically. Or a breakdown below 66,500. If we get that breakout, if we get that bearish breakout, I would say it's more likely we're going to have somewhat of a bigger pullback, which I would prefer. But all right. So that's in terms of Bitcoin, that's what I'm looking at. I think altcoins are quite interesting here. There's a lot of altcoins on my radar, so that's what we'll talk about right now. When you look at this, TIA earlier this morning was very strong. So let me have a quick look at that. So yeah, Celestia quite strong, broke above this level here at $7, retested, is trying to rally right here, and honestly, it looks like it's succeeding. So that's what we're seeing. Broke out above this trend line as well. For me, the main resist, like this looks bullish, right? It looks quite likely we're going up to 8.3, but rally above that, I think that's going to be hard. So you could take a trade on this, something like this perhaps, if you really want to, but with the potential pullback from Bitcoin, I'd say that's risky. And then apart from that, like here, WIF is meme coins in general are still very strong. WIF is very strong if you look at all the meme coins. I think RSR is also trying to get some sort of a breakout here, reserve rights, that is. That looks interesting. I got my eyes on that. I think that's something you need to watch as well. And then meme coins, like I said, if you look at Dogecoin, if you look at Myro, if you look at BOEM that's trying to break out, if you look at Mew, if you look at WIF, like I said, it all looks very, very bullish. So with meme coins, I would almost say you cannot go wrong. But again, it is very sensitive to Bitcoin's price movements. So take that into account. And meme coins are very volatile, right? So don't over leverage. I think they are still good to go for now, but one pullback from Bitcoin and it's over. All right. And then lastly, AFEX. All right, AFEX started with a momentous with a move with momentum yesterday. With this, I'm also waiting for a pullback into that level between 30.5 and 29.5. If we get into that level, I will probably buy. All right, but that's it for now. There are other coins I'm looking at as well, but those are, I think, the most important ones to keep an eye on. If you do have any questions, of course, let me know down in the comments or join the Telegram or Discord server, which Discord server is also active again. And apart from that, if you don't know, I also have my own Signal group, which you can join. Last big trade we had was Zero, which we bought under $4 and have already cashed in quite a bit. So yeah, if you're interested in that education, but also trading signals, consider joining that. But that's up to you. I'll keep it up with a free content as well, of course. So don't worry. But that's what you need to know. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.